I'm Kuya JC Garcia, your communication coach as you watch this video. Natanong na ba sa inyong mga sarili kung paano ba i-pronounce ang words like volume, victory, vault, vault in? How do we actually say it better? Bakit sa tunog volume, vault, victory? Parang bus line lang, right? So, how do we actually say it right? Here's how it goes. Simple lang. Part of our speaking muscles is our upper teeth. At napaka-crucial ng upper teeth natin. It's so important in producing that sound because it's necessary for us to bite our lower lip with our upper teeth. Not too tight, just right. Hindi sila maghihiwalay. And produce that sound. You'll use that. Pampractice mo yan to produce that sound. Trust me, it's not me playing. It's just me exercising the muscles that's needed so that I can produce the V sound. Vault in, volume, victory, villi. Science. Those are the tiny fingerlings or parts that look like fingers in our intestines absorbing nutrients. Villi. So, that's my solution for you. Quick and easy. Lightly bite your lower lip to produce the V sound. It's as simple as that. I hope that helps. Think of this video again when you're having difficulties with pronouncing the letter V sound. Put it down in the comments how you're able to practice what I just taught you right now. Nahirapan ba kayo? Nadalian? Nahiya? Well, you don't need to because again, these are parts of your mouth. You're just using it in a different way this time na hindi mo pa nakasanayan so that you can get the words properly pronounced. That's all there is to it. It's part of the exercise. There is to it. It's part of the exercise. Remember this. Okay. Speaking is your muscles of your mouth, your throat, all working together. So, by putting the right muscles to work together, the right parts of your mouth to work together, then you'll be able to produce the right sound. And that's what we're doing. So, vault in, all together, all of you who's watching, put down in the comments below how you're able to practice using this technique to produce the correct V sound.